evening, brothers and sisters. It is 10:16 p.m. Central Standard Time on March 16th, 2022. We're going to do a quick little coincidental episode for Psycho Clown World. Get ready for this, in case you were not already aware.
And here we go.
Now, as many of you know, I did a video this morning on the earthquakes going on in Japan, right? I did this video this morning. Well, how many of you happen to know the irony in all of this that's going on? Let me show you what I mean by irony with these psycho clowns. How many people actually knew that the Fukushima nuclear disaster happened 11 years ago on March 11th? Friday, March 11th. Look at this. Right here. Almost 11 years ago exactly. I mean, today's the 16th, so it's off by a few days. But isn't it weird we got the 11s again? Remember, 11s are representation of Janus or Janus, their god. That's right, this was all staged. March 11th, 2011. Now, if that's not weird enough, like, okay, maybe that's a coincidence, right? Just a coincidence? Alright, well, let's do this. Look over here. Oh, Japan earthquake today premiered March 11th, 2022. Wait a minute. That would be exactly 11 years. And there were some there too. Look at this. Oh, in Japan. Yeah, buddy. So, if that's not weird enough for you, if that's, coincidence, check this out. If it's not adding up the 11s for you with representations of Janus or Janus, remember, the Cabal or the Illuminati love the numbers 33 and a third or 13. 11 also times 3 is 33. Are you getting it yet? You got to follow these numbers. Check this out. Right over here at earthquaketrack.com. Look at this. In Japan, 11 earthquakes in the past 24 hours. Oh, and look, double it. 22 in the past 7 days. 7 is a holy number too. Are y'all smelling what I'm stepping in? 'Cause it smells like shit. I advise everybody to hit pause and take a screenshot and blow this up. How many people realize that the Pentagon has attacked al-Shabaab in the first U.S. airstrike on Somalia since August? Like just this past August. February 25th. Hey, I got a question. Why were they doing this? Did anybody know about this? No. Because everyone was focused on Ukraine. Look over here while I do something over here and you don't see. Smoke and mirrors. Look what the left hand is doing while the right hand is doing something else. Look this up, folks. I wonder why they're over there now, in Africa. Things that make you go, Ghislaine Maxwell files that were released. Compiled list of names from Epstein's Island. Flight log. Oh yeah. So you guys might want to get ready to hit pause and take some screenshots. Because there is a lot of names and people you are going to recognize. Tom Hanks, Steven Spielberg, oh boy. Oh, doesn't this... No, we know that this is on his island. Where else have I seen this type of thing before? Oh, wait. I know where I've seen that. The set of the Ellen DeGeneres show. Well, that's just a coincidence, right? No. I don't think that's a coincidence at all. Think about it, folks. These people are sick. I mean, come on now. The colors, white, blue and white stripe, palm trees. Come on. Right there in their face. In fact, they actually have a box over here where someone hides. It's very symbolic. Someone's hiding over here because of what happened in this building. It's disgusting. So remember, folks, keep your eyes open. No fear. And remember that love is the only way forward.